The surprising secret to closing more calls without lowering your prices. Over the next 3.5 minutes, I will show you how to use the case call framework to turn more of your book calls into paying clients without you being pushy or salesy. Do you want my case call framework Google Doc that gives you the exact framework on how to use this on your calls so that you don't have to figure this out for yourself? Just drop the word case below. I'm happy to send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sandford and I'm the founder of tinasandford.com. Now, since 2020, I've actually specialized in advertising for businesses worldwide, focusing on highly effective low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but right now I'm here to help you leverage video ads to grow up your business and, more importantly, to free up your time. So today I wanted to talk about the big challenge business owners are facing right now when they're actually selling their high ticket offers. You're booking calls, but you're actually closing fewer than 20% of them. Now, this is really frustrating because getting people on calls is not easy. I know that you're spending money on ads. I know that you're investing a lot of time on follow-ups, and I know that you're getting leads on the phone. But when it comes to actually closing the deal right now, you're hearing things, especially right now, like, I need to think about it, or this sounds great, but I'm not ready yet. Or worse, I'll get back to you. And then they just ghost you, yeah? Now, what's happening is most business owners are actually trying to solve this problem by they're actually adding more pressure, or they're lowering their price, they're putting in different discounts, or they're actually even changing their pitch. I've seen it all, okay? And maybe they're thinking, maybe I need to sound more confident. They're going on more courses, or maybe they're thinking that they should give them like a discount to push them over the edge. All these different tricks and tips. But here's why that doesn't work, especially right now. The problem isn't in your pitch. It's actually in the way that your call is structured. If you don't actually guide that conversation correctly, the leads won't see your offer as a no-brainer. Instead, they are going to feel like that you are selling to them, that they are being sold to. And that's where all these objections are popping up right now. But listen, this is where our case call framework actually comes in. And instead of actually treating this call as a sales pitch, case positions your call as a valuable service where you act as that guide. Think of it like being their Google Maps. Yeah, okay. You're actually going to show them the exact steps to reach their goal. And naturally, if you show that you can help them, they're going to want your help to get there faster. And here's why this works. It actually shifts the whole conversation from you selling to actually solving their problem right now. And what happens is your lead sees that they need you before you even pitch your offer. In fact, most of the time you wouldn't even have to pitch anything at all. And what happens is it actually builds trust and authority, okay? And then it just makes them easier to say yes without any hesitation because they can identify that what you've got is what they need and it's what they were looking for, and that's why they came to you in the first place. And they can see that you're not trying to sell at them. You're actually trying to help them with your service, matching their problem, okay? And it works for any high ticket offer as long as it's a match. And whether you're actually selling coaching, consulting, done for you services, you name it, this works. It's amazing, okay? So if you want this case call framework Google Doc that I've got, which gives you the exact structure to follow in your calls, so you don't have to figure any of this out yourself, just drop the word case below. I'm happy to send this over to you. It'll make the world a much better place, okay? And with this framework, you're actually going to know exactly how to lead your calls in a way that makes your ideal clients see your offer as a no-brainer, okay? And without you feeling like you have to sell to them, without anyone feeling awkward, no ickiness, no salesy, it just makes it so much easier, human to human, business owner solving problem for other business owner.